Finally, we get the first bowling alley fifth wheel toy hauler from Fuzion Keystone. What is behind me is a Keystone Fuzion 321, brand new 2026, 32-foot fifth wheel toy hauler bowling alley. So you could put your four-seaters with no problem. Let's go inside. First, I like what they did, a nice tip with a handle to walk into your patio system. So in reality, I have two entry door. I have the main entry door right there. As well, I have another entry door through the patio system. I slide the patio system. Voila, I'm going to my patio. They have a patio system complete. They don't cut corner. So as you see, a nice patio system. They give you the step with the handle to get into it, but also they give you additional power awning. So what I have over here, you could see over there, a nice power awning. I could extend it to cover my patio system. So when I have my lounge chairs and sitting, enjoying my drink, watching my kids playing in their four-seaters or their quad or their dirt bike, I have a beautiful power awning over my patio system with LED lights so I could see what's going on. As well, additionally, I have a nice screen door here. So you could see I have a full screen door. I could trash it all the way down. And if I decide, so the fresh air coming in, the bugs does not. Let me finish from the power awning and I'll show you this unit. Amazing, amazing, this technology. So voila, I have a beautiful power awning. I am behind a nice screen door. I could bring the screen door all the way down. And if I want, I could bring it back all the way up, roll it back. And then I could go walk to my patio system, enjoy my power awning in the patio system with a 2 power LED light. It has also prep for your camera in the back. Now, walking to this unit, I have a plenty room, a plenty cargo footage in this toy haulers. Now, the most important thing about Fuzion toy haulers, in their cargo, they give you 5,000 pound D-ring. You could see they're welded to the frame, bolted, welded. So it's not just to the floor. So go through even to the frame, and you have actually total 9 of them. There's 3 this way, another 3, 3, 3. So you have total 12 of them in your cargo area. So when I drive my four-seaters, I could get it all the way down over here with no problem. Also, they give you this extension shelf. Now, why they give you this extension shelf is the advantage for you to give you more counter space. But if this counter space in feeding with your four-seaters, all you have to do is just close it down. And now I could close it. Nothing's gonna attach to my four-seaters. Also, you have another bench here, same principle. And I give you more counter space so I could put things. Also, I could couple bar stools, have my kids sit on it, eating, enjoying the nice view, the lighting. Also, you have a nice sofa seating area over here. You could sit, enjoy with the family on it. You could add a couple chairs, you could add more chairs. But the reason why we built this unit and we requested from Fuzion is because I have a lot of people, they have four-seaters, they can't fit it in toy haulers. But with this one, you can, from the width, from the height of that bed, from all the way footage of this. So if you have a four-seaters, 13.6, 14 feet, 12 feet, all of it will fit in this unit, no question asked. This unit is equipped with 2 AC, 1 AC in the living room and 1 AC in the bedroom. Now, it comes with a higher bed. So a lot of customers, they call us, say, could you go measure the distance from the bed all the way to the floor? Because I have a four-seater with a rack on it. Well, there's no way on earth your four-seater with your rack is gonna reach to that bed. So you have no issues. All you do is just bring this one all the way down, and then you go into the front. I'm a short, but that's very easy. You bring the first one, the back to the first, and then you bring the front second. And then if you want to return it back, is the opposite. You put the first up, and then you push this one at the same time up. Voila. Now, going to the kitchen and the living area. So the nice thing about it, they give you a TV hookup right here. So you have a nice TV. I could put a big TV hookup right there. I like about this unit has all windows. As you see, very open light. It gives you very open light. I could add a chairs here, and they give you one tin plug over here in this cargo area. There's also light in this one too. Again, all this is inverter prep. I need more counter space. So I get a storage, nice counter space, nice fireplace. So I have a nice prep area around the 3-burner range on the right and the left side. Microwave, nice solid medicine cabinet, solid cabinet, solid wood, big sink, rice faucet, a lot of storage for cooking pans, tinsel doors. And then the fridge, they give you the biggest fridge they make for this size, which is 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt. And by the way, you have a solar panel on the roof, no problem at all. Vents. And then we go to the hallway here. They give you a beautiful, nice queen size bed with air condition in the bedroom. So it's 2 AC. There's a lot of storage around the bed for, you could add a king size bed. You could see I have a room to add a king size if I decide. They give you queen, but some people, they say, I want king. We could do that here. Or if they say, you know, I'm happy with the queen. Queen, if you notice, it gives you more walking area. And here's your ladder for your rear bunk, rear bed. More closet, more storage, more hanging clothes, more doors. A TV location here in the bedroom. I could put easy 32-inch TV. And then in the bathroom, I have a beautiful pocket door. Nice medicine cabinet. I like the shelf. You could access it both way, inside, outside. Sink, prepping area. No issue for knees. Personal toilet. High rise, big, deep, very roomy. And then all your controller is in one piece spot. Here's your fuel stations. Here's your generator hours. All this setup. And again, here's the control for AC1, AC2. But you could see how beautiful this bowling alley, where you could take it and bring your 4-seaters. Now, normally I don't talk a price, but I'm really speechless when I saw the price. This brand new 2026 Keystone Fuzion 321, 2 AC, solar, fuel station, loaded patio, two power awning. We have it on special only $56.99 in California. No one could match this price, and we pass that saving to you. Come and grab it before somebody take it. Look at the beautiful brand new 2026. Only $56.99, no any hidden fees. Lowest price guarantee in the West Coast coming in.